Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I want to share with you one that's the normal session ever and see. Listen, everybody they talk and one day it go happen. Let us listen and I'll be right back.
I want to bring to you a message of hope, a message of perseverance, and an assurance that we Biafrans we will overcome. It is regrettable that the UK and EU, instead of aligning with the forces of freedom, have chosen to align with the forces of oppression. It is difficult to understand why the nations of the world that profess human rights would align with forces against human rights. But understanding the imperatives of economic exploitation would be helpful. The Biafran region is the only place in the world where people don't own what they have. Mineral resources in Biafra land and under the control of non-Biafrans. And the UK and EU appear more comfortable gaining access to these resources through the agent that they don't have the resources but arrogate to themselves ownership of the mineral resources. As a result, UK and EU have no moral issues supporting oppressive regimes in Nigeria that deprive indigenous people of their resources. We employ Finland not to join the forces of oppression against Biafran people by yielding to pressure and denying our Prime Minister, His Excellency Simon Ekpa, his right to self-defense, fighting for the liberation of his people. Finland and Finnish people stood with Biafrans at our time of need during the 1967 to 1970 genocidal war against our people. We heard stories about how even Finnish children had to save to help the starving children in Biafra. This special bond between Finland and Biafra was evident when we visited Helsinki 2023 for our convention, as majority of us reported a fulfilling sense of feeling at home in Finland. This same feeling was again reported by Biafrans at our 2024 convention at Lati, even though the convention was held with our Prime Minister in detention. For all the sacrifices of Finnish people, Biafrans are extremely, eternally grateful, and this special Finnish Biafran bond must be protected at all costs. There is nothing Finland can gain from a dubious bilateral interest with Nigeria that it would not gain in multiple folds from a sincere bilateral relationship with the United States of Biafra. Nigeria is a mass crime scene where thousands of indigenous people are slaughtered every day. Finland must resist every attempt to force it to join the axis of able supporting and supervising the genocide killing of Biafrans and other indigenous people, regardless of whether the pressure is coming from Nigeria, the UK, or the EU. Finland, you have done well. Finland to high esteem. We believe they will do the right thing. We believe the EU will do the right thing. There is no reason for Finland to support a terrorist country. There is no reason for EU at large to support a terrorist country called Nigeria. If Finland aligned themselves from Russia, that is the same thing the Biafran people are doing. We are not. We are free people. In recent years and weeks, especially this week, the Nigerian state have Recently, yesterday, in Ekpa state of Biafra, there is killing all over Biafra land. If the EU will align themselves because of what they will gain from Nigeria, that means they, and we remind them these mineral resources that they want to exploit from the so-called Nigeria is not in Nigeria, Biafra land. If that's what they need, why not they work with the Biafran people? Let's practice what we preach. I believe over 60–70% of the Finnish people are Christians. They are not jihadists. They don't believe in terrorists. They don't believe in terrorizing others. Why then we don't want to work with the right decision for the Finnish people? We hold them high esteem. We believe that we do the right thing. We believe with what the Finnish people we do. I'm opportune as well to be in Finland 2023 and 2024 at the airport at Helsinki 2023. I made a video of myself praising, singing praises to the Finnish authority, to the Finnish people, and how hospitality they are. What changes? Don't let the demon enter you, Finlandos. We love you all so much for the impact you all played during the 1967 to 1970, to remember the dying children of Biafra, to have it in your heart. You taught your children at school, when they eat, they should remember that Biafran children are being starved to death. What changes? Finland should remember they fought to free themselves from Russia. How will Finland feel if Russia will come and invade Finland again and occupy their territory? I believe they will fight again. They will fight again. They will fight. The Biafran people are fighting to free themselves. Now that we are fighting, just like you did, why not support the Biafran people? The bond between Finland and Biafra must be protected. We believe they will do the right thing. EU, your land has been terrorized by extreme jihadists. We see all over the news, in Paris, in UK, in London, in Germany, in Hamburg, everywhere. Infidels. We are not infidels. We are in our own land fighting for our survival. Finland kindly retake and do the right thing. EU, do the right thing. And for fellow Biafrans, it's time for us to wake up. And they prophesy about human rights. Why are they not speaking? Why are they supporting the same thing they prophesy against? Are they living a double standard? And for Biafran people, if they don't come to support your cause, what will you do? Fight back. It's your land. It's your territory. It's your resources. You have the right. Nobody has the right to take your life away from you. Nobody has the right to take what belongs to you. Nobody has the right to invade you, to terrorize you. Nobody has the right. Stand up. Stop complaining. Do whatever you can to defend your land. If the West reject us, we will not reject ourselves. If the West refuse to do the right thing, we will not refuse to do the right thing. We will do what is right. We will do just what is right. We stand up. Fight for who you are. Fight for what you believe. We are not giving up. And we are not supposed to be free people. We're supposed to be free born in our own land. Finland, we believe in you. With joy, 2023, I'm at Helsinki airport. I made a video of myself praising the Finnish authority and the Finnish people. One, they are law-abiding country, or you call it citizens. Two, three, secondly, their hospitality there's no way you can measure it. We believe they will do the right thing, no matter the pressure. And for my fellow Biafran people, don't be deceived. When Biafra is fully restored and defended, after our restoration, we have to fully restore and defend it. And when we get our full sovereignty, we can now operate as a full nation. And by then, a lot of well-meaningful countries in the world will have recognized us. And then we will print our money all over Biafra. Every Biafran will have the Gemma, that is our money, our currency. And we'll be able to trade with our money, the Gemma, with the rest of the world. But now that we are still fighting to chase our enemy out of our land, even if you have the Gemma, which bank will you deposit it? Who, which country will you trade with? Fellow Biafrans, align with the true government of Biafra, the Biafra Republic government in exile, and follow everything we do step by step. The Nigerian state should desist from Arise, Channel News. I don't know why they don't cover what happened in Biafran territory. Because all these media outlets have decided to align themselves with the. If you're a media team preaching the gospel of Biafra, don't let them buy you. Don't let them buy your trust. Stand firm. Send the message all over the world. Let them know what is going on in Biafra land. Biafran people have been murdered every day, just like what happened in Ekpa yesterday, just like what happened in El Somo early this week. All over Biafra land is bleeding. Even while our prime minister is in the hand of the Finnish authority answering questions, the Nigerian state, the question the EU should be asking and the Finnish authority should be asking, who is this that has taken what you want? Fellow Biafrans, thank you. Long live our Supreme Leader, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. Long live our Prime Minister, His Excellency Simon Ekpa. Long live Biafran Defense Forces. We mourn the loss of our compatriots who have become victims of Nigerian government extreme act of cruelty towards our people. Your death will never be forgotten. Long live the United States of Biafra. Long live the United States of America. Thank you. Ndewo.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst, as I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.